Welcome to Hard Reset Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OnePlus 12, and now I can show you top 3 bad themes for this device. On the third place in my top is Microsoft Launcher. Just find it and install. Click open, get started, valuing the app, and cool. So now click continue. You can skip the integration with your Windows device if you have a Windows laptop or Windows PC. So using Microsoft Launcher, you can integrate your Windows and Android device using the same wallpapers on your device and Windows device, using the Messages app in different ways. For example, if someone will message you, just normal SMS application, so you will have this message on your PC too. So it's very useful feature if you have Windows device. And here, as you can see, it's very great launcher, because here we have the glance panel. In the glance, we can set up all widgets in the way we want, and you don't need to search for the widgets among thousands of home screens. So it's a very useful thing. You can set up here gestures, you can use the alphabetical line to find the applications. So it's very good launcher, and it looks really cool on this huge display, because on this huge display it's really great. But on the second place in my top is Smart Launcher. The latest version of the Smart Launcher is 6. So unfortunately, there is no way to find the oldest versions of the Smart Launcher, but Launcher 6 is really great. So click confirm, continue, value the app, allow. You can use it completely for free, you don't need to pay. That's cool. So I love this launcher just because it's beautiful. It's beautiful and minimalistic. Here we have the main menu with groups. You can use main menu normal without the grouping feature. You just can disable the category bar and use main menu like a normal launcher. And this launcher looks great. Here we have the top stories. Here we have the really rich of great wallpapers gallery. For example, I want to install this wallpaper, and to do it I just can click apply, confirm, and I really love this launcher. I really love it. It's really beautiful. But on the first place in my top is just standard OnePlus launcher. But what the reason of this situation? So it's just because, unfortunately, OnePlus Oxygen OS is really works bad with notification in different launchers. I hope this situation will change, but now at this time, unfortunately, I had the troubles with the notifications in different launcher, like Microsoft Launcher or Smart Launcher 6. So unfortunately, this launcher on the first place in this top first half of 2024. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.